Welcome to ABC Learning English. 50 phrasal verbs for everyday life.
Turn on. Start a device. Turn on the lights. She turned on the TV. Turn off. Stop a device. Turn off the fan. He turned off his laptop. Take off. Remove or depart. Take off your shoes. The plane took off at 6 p.m. Put on. Wear something. Put on your jacket. She put on her glasses. Run out. Finish or deplete. We ran out of milk. My phone's battery ran out. Pick up. Collect or lift. Pick up the book. I'll pick you up at 8 p.m. Give up. Quit. Never give up. He gave up smoking. Go on. Continue. Go on with your story. The meeting went on for hours. Get up. Rise or wake. Get up early tomorrow. He got up at 7 a.m. Break down. Stop working. The car broke down. My computer broke down last night. Call off. Cancel. They called off the party. The match was called off due to rain. Look after. Take care of. She looks after her cat. Please look after my kids. Find out. Discover. I found out the truth. Did you find out what happened? Set up. Arrange or establish. They set up a new shop. I'll set up the meeting. Hang out. Spend time. We hang out every weekend. Let's hang out after work. Bring up. Raise a topic or child. She brought up an interesting idea. He was brought up in a village. Come back. Return. I'll come back soon. He came back yesterday. Look for. Search. I'm looking for my keys. She is looking for a new job. Work out. Exercise or solve. I work out daily. We worked out the problem. Carry on. Continue. Carry on with your work. She carried on despite the pain. Take care of. Look after. I'll take care of it. She takes care of her parents. Turn up. Arrive or increase. He turned up late. Turn up the volume. Turn down. Reject or lower. She turned down the offer. Turn down the music. Check out. Investigate or leave. Check out that book. We checked out of the hotel. Give away. Donate or reveal. She gave away her clothes. Don't give away the secret. Cut down. Reduce. Cut down on sugar. They cut down the tree. Fall apart. Break into pieces. The chair fell apart. Her plan fell apart. Go out. Leave home. Let's go out tonight. The fire went out. Break up. End a relationship. They broke up last week. The meeting broke up at noon. Keep up. Maintain. Keep up the good work. He couldn't keep up with her pace. Bring back. Return something. Bring back the book. That song brings back memories. Run into. Meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend. She ran into trouble. Put out. Extinguish. Put out the fire. They put out the candles. Show up. Arrive. He showed up late. She didn't show up at the party. Try on. Test clothing. Try on this dress. He tried on new shoes. Back up. Support or save. She backed up her argument. Back up your files. Get along. Be friendly. We get along well. She doesn't get along with him. Fill in. Complete. Fill in this form. Can you fill in for me? Hold on. Wait or grip. Hold on for a minute. Hold on to the railing. Let down. Disappoint. Don't let me down. He let down his team. Take over. Assume control. She took over the project. The company was taken over. Get over. Recover. She got over her illness. He got over the breakup. Look out. Be careful. Look out for cars. She looked out of the window. Cut off. Disconnect. The phone call was cut off. They cut off the water supply. Blow up. Explode. The balloon blew up. The bomb blew up the building. Call back. Return a call. I'll call you back. He didn't call back. Stand out. Be noticeable. She stands out in a crowd. This color stands out. Get rid of. Eliminate. Get rid of the trash. He got rid of bad habits. Pass out. Faint or distribute. He passed out from exhaustion. Pass out the papers. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Wake up early tomorrow. I woke up late today.